Introduce highlight features or overview summary of BonePone N12S Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. There are features include: extreme suction power for deep clean. Driven by a professional 250-watt brushless motor, the N12S delivers an instant 30,000 PA hurricane-level suction. This power effortlessly lifts embedded pet hair, fine dust, and large debris from deep within carpets and hard floors. Equipped with a 6-piece 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing up to 60 minutes of powerful, consistent, fade-free runtime in standard mode, perfect for large households. The detachable battery design allows for convenient separate charging and easy replacement with a spare battery, enabling non-stop cleaning sessions and extending the vacuum's service life. The newly integrated HD digital LED display shows crucial information at a glance, including precise remaining battery power percentage and current suction mode, standard/max. This intelligent monitoring allows you to accurately plan cleaning time and prevents the inconvenience of the battery unexpectedly running out midway through your session. Utilizes a fully sealed 5-stage HEPA filtration system to capture 99.99% of fine dust, pollen, and allergens, guaranteeing that clean air is expelled, making it an ideal choice for allergy and pet owners. Boasts an 1.5-liter dust cup, holding over 2x more debris than typical cordless models, drastically reducing the frequency of interruptions for emptying. The upgraded V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush effectively solves the problem of long hair and pet hair tangling. The flexible swivel head 150 degrees sideways and 90 degrees up and down, effortlessly reaching under furniture and into corners. Features an upgraded 4 LED lights brush head to perfectly illuminate hidden dirt under furniture and in dark corners, ensuring zero-miss cleaning performance. Weighing just 7.15 pounds, this cordless vacuum is incredibly easy to carry and maneuver, perfect for quick cleanups everywhere. It includes a full set of versatile attachments: a 2-in-1 brush, crevice tool, and an extendable tube, making it ideal for floors, furniture, curtains, cars, stairs, and those hard-to-reach spots. It's suitable for all ages and perfect for homes, apartments, dorms, and RVs. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.